The industry by and large is like, oh, reviews, they're important, la, la, la. But those that have actually used it in mass quantities have seen the data. It's not that great.
I'm going to tell you why you should launch as FBA. When you launch brand new seller, brand new brand, brand new listing, that means no review, no seller rating, no review, no nothing. So the first thing you need is reviews. How do you get reviews? You have to have sales. Well, without sales,
Back to the
how do
chicken
you
or
get
egg.
that's become chicken and egg situation. So the easiest way to penetrate into that review situation is the Vine program. So you pay $200, you get 30 reviews over time, of course.
I would not recommend Vine for most products, right? Let's say you're selling a supplement like this Tudka on my desk. How fast do supplements work? Well, nobody really knows. Could be months, right? Could be weeks. Who knows if they even work? Well, if you get it to the Vine reviewer, they open it up. They're supposed to leave that review same day. What are they going to do? Oh, it smells funny. Oh, 4.4 stars. Next. And so that's the challenge with Vine. The average review for a Vine review is 4.1. The average organic review is a 4.3, which rounds up to 4.5 stars. And so that's the challenge with Vine. You're going to hurt yourself with a couple of Vine reviews potentially out of the gate at 4 stars.
So what do you recommend without Vine? How do
Low
you jumpstart
price and lots of ads. You do not need reviews. If you get that #1 new release badge, all the better.
This is also something I haven't heard before.
The industry by and large is like, oh, reviews, they're important, la, la, la. Let me go do this. And by and large, they adapt fine. But those that have actually used it in mass quantities have seen the data. It's not that great. Would I do it for a giftable item? Probably. Would I do it for a client that asks? Yeah, I will. But I also know it's going to be a 4-star review average. Like, I don't want 4-star review average Vines showing up on my listing.
Some of those reviewers they're doing this for a living. And also, you get a bunch of them leaving good review, and then you have one that just leaves a 3-star review, and you can't do anything about it.
It
You
hurts.
can't dispute. It's verified purchase, right? And what is it that Amazon calls those reviews? Verified Vine review or something like
Yeah,
that.
Vine review. So they show up with a green badge. People are attracted to it. I don't trust these Vine reviewers with my product. I'd rather trust a random stranger.
So your formula is low price, a lot of ads, and try to bring in as many orders as possible. So that way they're going to translate into reviews. That's the strategy.
Correct. You need orders to get reviews. Go get the orders, right? And the nice thing about that is it leads to more orders because you need orders to get orders as well. Instead of focusing your time and attention on trying to get reviews, you just focus on the basics. Go get traffic, improve the conversion, get sales. And literally, like by eliminating all of these distractions, you will do better as a company. You will do better as a brand, which is why I was able to scale an agency to 535 people and manage 400 brands. Because when we do the basics and ignore all these shiny objects, it just scales. It's like the McDonald's franchise model, right? Like you dumb it down, because if you don't, somebody else will. You got to idiot proof this stuff, make some SOPs and make it clear cut on like how to follow this, what step to do, ABC, traffic, conversion, sale, done. If you want to master Amazon FBA, subscribe to My Amazon Guy and become a part of our community.